So in continuation of the discussion we started about ChatGPT, using it for different business ideas. In this case, we are using it for a flyer for a business. You can see how beautiful the flyer is. Using it for a fashion store. So let's see how we put this together. For now, we are using the flyer as a case study. Let's see the original document we started with. So this is the document I got from the ChatGPT. Sorry, the typed query I queried, and it gave me using some interest where I made some necessary correction. So you can use your own for whatever business you like. So we get a template from our Microsoft. So from our Microsoft, you can see some template here. We pick any one. In this case, we'll go with this one. This is the one we use. This is brochure. Click create any image of your choice. You can also use Canva, another site. We'll go into that in future, but for now, let's see how this one has to offer. So you see, in this case, for this one, we have history here. So we can remove the whole of this history. You have to bear with me. I may likely fast forward this video to the finished product. This is it. To copy the history, we come to our template, paste it. You see, this one is in already. We will now go paste it. You can see. So interest is here. We will now scroll down. Here about us, here we can write about our own business, whatever name we like. Then possibly put the address here. It must not be exactly the same. You can do some modification, remove these pictures and put your own pictures. Then the fashion manifesto, our vision. ChatGPT will do that for us too if we want. Then our outreach. Then in this case, where we want our customer to take action is after going through our name here. We change this name. Let's say in my case, Road the Genius. And at this very point, this feature and a host of other outreach and what have you, we'll remove it. We will now have our action. We will now have our desire and action there. We paste it. So you see everything is intact now. Desire and action. So after everything, doing all the necessary adjustments, you see how it looks like. The problem with Microsoft here is after doing it, you cannot print it. Or even if you print it, it will not give you the kind of result you want. So at this point, you can change the color of this right up. Pick a brighter color. Let's assume we are going with yellow. Since color yellow is a bit bright, so everything is intact. When we are done with this, we'll copy it from here. We will now go to paint. That is the advantage of Microsoft. You can do all sort of design on it on the publishing part. We will now come to your paint on your system. Or if you are using PowerPoint or Microsoft, the problem with the reason why I'm going through this process is Microsoft has a lot of template that we can use for, but Photoshop doesn't have the much that we need like the way this one is. That is why some people prefer to use Canva, but we are going with this. Here we just paste. You see everything is here, and it came out in a very top-notch color. See the beauty of the whole thing. See it looking very fine. So from here, so in this case we'll crop it. After cropping it, then we'll resize it. Now we have put in, select this crop element, select the size, drag it, then we will now select the crop icon. Look at it, crop. It has cropped it. Then make sure we resize it. After resizing, make sure it gives us the size we want. We'll remove this chain, put 5,000 here, and put 3,000 here. That is the pixel that we want. We want it to be very fine, big. See, it automatically becomes big. Now we will now save it. Just as we use JPEG. The other one was blue art. We put in this one name yellow art. Click save. open it now. So can you see that one? So this is the yellow art. See how fine it is. Just similar with that one. Just I remove some information from it. So that is it for this. So thank you very much. I'll continue to give you more as time goes on. Thank you.